Also, come clap me and forward them. Craig, you are so weird with the camera. Oh my Jesus Christ.
Here we go.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Probably not that good at playing in that end.
12-year-old kid on a helicopter.
Oh my God. Hey, I landed it. Ow. Alright, go higher, babe.
Get the hell out of the way.
It's hard. Oh my God. If I crash into your Jado, how mad would you be? Probably not to the point where I'm moving out for 2 days.
Oh my God, dude.
I can't see.
Oh my God.
I can't.
Hey.
I don't like how look at it. It's just like creepy, like.
How is it creepy?
Cause it's like too slow, like get you.
It's a creeper. It's a creeper copter.
Why you like it?
It's on Minecraft.
Put a little camera on it.
Probably would, you freak.
Some eyes.
Forget it, like follow somebody around that. Imagine how weird it would be to turn around and see that behind you all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah, both of you say yeah.
Mom.
I should fly it outside the window at night and just follow people that are walking.
Mom.
Creepy. It's like no, because I have this dream that something like that in my dreams.
It's probably not a dream. It's probably me.
What? An alien.
Whoa.
Oh, I know how to make it go. Oh my God, wrong button. Oh my God.